Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a closer look at products that could make a difference in your everyday life. Today, we're checking out a powerhouse designed to handle the toughest of blending jobs, the Waring Commercial CB15 Ultra Heavy Duty Blender. This isn't just another blender. It's engineered for high-volume use, and with a 3.75 HP motor, it's built to tackle even the largest batches with ease. So, whether you're whipping up smoothies for a crowd or preparing large quantities for a commercial kitchen, this blender promises to make short work of it. The Waring Commercial CB15 Ultra Heavy Duty Blender comes with a 1-gallon BPA-free copolyester container. It's not only large enough to handle big loads, but the design is stackable, allowing for easy storage when not in use. Now, this blender isn't just about size. It's all about control. It features variable speed control with an impressive range from 1,700 to 18,000 RPM. This allows you to precisely adjust the blending speed, making it easier to fine-tune the texture of your recipes. Whether you need a slow, gentle stir or a powerful blend to crush ice or make nut butter, the CB15 can do it all. And the rubberized lid comes with a removable clear cap, so you can add ingredients as you go and even reduce pressure when blending hot food, which is a thoughtful design feature for those working with hot soups or sauces. When I put this blender to the test, I pushed it with everything from thick smoothies packed with frozen fruit to blending hot soups straight from the stove. Setup was simple. Just plug it in and get to work. I love the immediate power it delivers once you flip the switch. The 3.75 HP motor means no struggling with tough ingredients like frozen fruit, ice, or fibrous veggies. It cuts through them effortlessly, saving you time and frustration. With the variable speed dial, I found it especially helpful for controlling the consistency of my smoothies. Cranking it up to a higher RPM crushed ice in seconds, while lower speeds gave me more control when making chunky salsas or batters that I didn't want to puree too much. One thing that really stood out was the rubberized lid. It kept everything tightly sealed during blending, and the clear cap allowed me to add ingredients without having to stop the blender. That feature comes in handy when you're trying to tweak your recipe in the middle of blending, especially when working with liquids or ingredients that need to be added in stages. However, I did find that when blending larger batches of hot foods, the motor can get a bit loud. It's nothing that's unmanageable, but it's worth mentioning, especially if you're using it in an open kitchen or where noise might be a factor. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this blender is incredibly powerful. The 3.75 HP motor can handle large quantities without breaking a sweat. The variable speed control is a huge win for those looking for precision, especially when working with different textures. The stackable, BPA-free container is another highlight. Easy to store, and the lid design is practical for both adding ingredients and dealing with hot food. On the downside, the noise level is something to consider, especially if you're working in a quieter environment. Also, the sheer size and weight of the blender might make it a bit challenging to store in a small kitchen, or if you're not using it on a regular basis. While it's incredibly sturdy, it's definitely a piece of equipment that's made for heavy-duty use, not casual kitchen work. In terms of value for money, this blender is an investment. At a higher price point, it's clearly designed for businesses or those who regularly blend large quantities. If you're running a smoothie bar or a commercial kitchen, this product is built to last and save you time. However, for home use, especially if you don't need to blend large quantities frequently, it might be overkill. For those seeking alternatives in the same price range, you might find some other commercial blenders offering similar specs, but few match this kind of power and control. In terms of durability and performance, it's worth the price if you need something reliable for high-volume blending. When comparing the Waring CB15 with other commercial-grade blenders, you'll notice that it stands out because of its variable speed control, which many competitors don't offer at this price point. Most other blenders in this range are locked at 1 or 2 speeds, but this model offers precise adjustments to match the texture you need. If you're willing to spend a little more, you might find blenders with slightly quieter operations, but they may sacrifice power or versatility. For instance, some high-end blenders in this category are quieter, but may not offer the same level of control or power when it comes to large batches of tough ingredients. As for build quality, the Waring Commercial CB15 is solid. The copolyester container feels robust and is built to withstand frequent use without showing signs of wear. While I can't speak to long-term reliability personally, the reputation of the Waring brand suggests that this blender should hold up well over time. The fact that it's designed for commercial use also points to the expectation of a long lifespan, provided you take care of it and follow the manufacturer's instructions. It's clear this product was built to last in a high-demand environment. Customer service hasn't been needed on my end, but Waring does have a reputation for offering reliable support if needed. Given that this is a commercial-grade product, it's good to know they are a trusted brand in terms of standing behind their products with customer service that's responsive. To sum it all up, the Waring Commercial CB15 Ultra Heavy Duty Blender is an exceptional choice for those who need a blender that can handle large volumes and tough ingredients. It offers precise control over blending speeds, making it versatile for all kinds of recipes. The build quality is top-notch, and it's designed to last for commercial use. On the flip side, it's not for everyone. It's a large, powerful machine that might be too much for those just blending small batches at home. If you're in need of a workhorse for a business or large-scale operation, this blender is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Waring Commercial CB15, you can find the link to purchase in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts, or if you already own this blender, let us know how it's worked for you. Till next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, helping you make the best decisions for your kitchen. And remember, in the world of blenders, it's the power that makes all the difference.